Welcome to the next mission report, and today we want to talk about, you maybe saw this yesterday, how are you using Loom and YouTube videos to market your real estate business. We're going to give you some amazing things to think about and ways for you to scale, grow, and automate your business automatically with videos. Welcome to the next mission report. Welcome back. I'm Norman Kinsey. You on the Mission Report designed to give you weekly advice, quick tips on very specific ways as a real estate professional you can grow, scale, and automate your business with online marketing strategies and techniques. Today we want to go ahead and talk about youtube.com and loom.com, and go ahead and comment below or raise your hand. I can't see you. You have to comment below. Uses bombbomb.com and spends money at bombbomb.com. I think a lot of people out there send email marketing campaigns out with BombBomb. Well, did you know you could use YouTube and Loom the exact same way at zero cost? Let's talk about this, okay? So let's go ahead and go to youtube.com and show you our YouTube channel. We've talked about this in previous mission reports about having different playlists on your channel that can go ahead and highlight various different things. The buyer process, the seller process. So that way, if you had a standard operating procedure, you can come in here and you can send off, say, a playlist of maybe one of the processes. So if you're a client or a potential prospect, you want to sign up for our services, I can send you an email and send you testimonials, and you can watch a bunch of testimonials. If you're an agent looking for some advice to grow, scale, and automate your business, hence the mission report, you can go to Mission Report and you can watch all the mission reports. Not to mention our knowledge base, company news. So imagine for you, you can have the buyer process, the seller process, and the various different playlists to help your company. Not to mention testimonials are great to have on your YouTube channel, and you could use those testimonials for your website. You can also put them onto Facebook, put them on LinkedIn, and what have you. Now, let's talk a little bit about Loom. So if you don't know what Loom is, loom.com, check it out. It's free, you can pay for it, and you can actually do a screen record plus have your picture in the screen. So let me go ahead and give you an example, a live demonstration of how I would use Loom at Liftoff Agent to go over the strategy questionnaires when a real estate professional would set up a strategy meeting with us here at Liftoff Agent. So I'm going to bring you over here to my laptop and we're going to have some fun, and I'm going to show you how this process works. Hey, so welcome. So this is the Loom video. Now you'll see that on the screen I can show you anything that I want to show you, and you'll see that there's a bubble here with me, shiny face, hi, smiling, talking to you, and being able to walk you through the process. So if you're a real estate professional and you wanted to go through this process of, hey, how does a strategy consultation work? Hey, I want to fill out the strategy questionnaires, and I can go through this and say, okay, Mr. Agent, just like you could do the same thing with this process with a buyer or seller if you had a standard operating procedure when you were working with buyers and you were working with sellers. So how long have you been in the business? And then you go ahead and click how long you've been in the business. This is me giving a demonstration to a real estate agent. What's your 5-year goal? Double production, fantastic, and hit OK at the bottom, and it'll take you to the next one. What's your biggest pain point when marketing? I don't know where to start, and I don't see success from my website. Okay, no worries. So you're going to click each one of these things to go through this form, and when you get to the end of the form, it's going to go ahead and give you the way to submit this form. So this is exactly the way that you would be able to talk on Loom and be able to talk to, maybe you went to a formal listing presentation and you were showing a home, and then you had the home up here and you said, hi John, hi Stacy, great today meeting you, showing you the home. It was a lot of fun, and I look forward to being able to meet you again later on. So this is how it would look for the end user you would send it to. Now let's take you back over here and show you how you would around Loom and how you would be able to use this process. All right, so welcome back. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I should have that video here. So if I go ahead and I was to go ahead and refresh the page, I should have the video here. So now I can go ahead and take this video and do a number of things. I can go ahead and go into the video by double clicking the video and then opening it up, and then I can copy the link, and you could send the link out to like email marketing campaign. You can embed the link, they can watch this here on Loom, or you can go ahead and you can download this here, and then you can save the actual file down here on your computer. Use YouTube to have playlists. You can use Loom in replace of BombBomb, and this can give you a way to have a free way to be able to send out a video because of the waters that we're in with COVID-19 and what have you. This is an easier way to scale, grow, automate your business. All great ways that you can grow your business as a real estate professional. You just have to take massive action, and you have to take the steps necessary to put this in action. So we hope you found value from today's video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the video, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified for new videos coming out. Comment below with how this was helpful or how you're already using these processes. And if you want to execute this mission, just follow this procedure, start using Loom. You can go to loom.com and also say you can start using your YouTube account, and we'll see you on the next mission report. And as a reminder, you can get your website audit below. You can go through the strategy questionnaire as I just showed you, and you can also get an exposure grade all for free down below. Thanks for watching today's mission report, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for completing the mission report video here on YouTube. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and comment below with what mission you have already carried out for your business to be entered in to win the next $2,500 IDX real estate website. We give them away on a quarterly basis, and you can also set yourself up with a live free discovery meeting so we can deep dive into your online marketing approach, give you some suggestions, and of course, if it makes sense and you would like to sign up with us, we'll give you $250 off the startup costs, and we'll see you for the next mission report.